Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on quick guide. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how to reset your EA password. So if you have forgotten your EA password and now you do not know how to log into its account, then this video is for you. Today in this video I'm going to absolutely guide you through the process of resetting your EA password. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to reset your EA password, first of all, go ahead and tap on Safari. And then go ahead and tap on search and then search for EA. And then click on the option of electronic ads homepage. Now go ahead and tap on that little logo which is in the top. And then go ahead and tap on sign in. Now go ahead and enter your phone or email which you created your EA account with. Now since you have forgotten your passwords, go ahead in the option of forgot your password after providing them with your email. Now go ahead and enter your email address or EID and then verify if you are human by doing the instruction that has been available here. Now after you're done providing the instruction, go ahead and tap on next. Now a code has been sent to your Gmail account, so go ahead and check on your Gmail account by tapping on send code. Now check your Gmail account. Now after you're done tapping on the code which has been provided to your email, go ahead and tap on next. Now go ahead and provide them with your new password. Make sure it's the strong password. After fulfilling all the criteria of password that has been given here and after creating a new password for your EA account, first of all, go ahead and tap on submit. It says your password has been changed, so that's how you can easily change your password on your EA account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.